where we are able to create image. Now image formation of the plane mirror, we have to find it out the nature, position and relative size of the image formed by them. So three things we have to keep in mind. One, what is the nature? Second is where it has been put and relative size के हिसाब से उसका साइज कितना आएगा. That we have to find it out for a different type of the mirror. We have seen two types. One is a concave, another one is a convex mirror. Now we have already learned that a light always travels in a straight direction. Based on this, we are going to see one activity which has been given in a activity 10.3, where we are taking one a concave mirror and we have tried to find it out the focal length in the way described above. Based on this, if we'll put it in a different place, we'll try to remember particularly these things, that whole activity where image is going to be get, that is a type like a real है, tiny है, inverted image है. Particularly in a concave mirror we'll try to see. First let us see the types of the rays, which is a very important. Now types of the ray, all is applicable only for a concave mirror. Any rays which is a parallel to the principal axis, this is a principal axis which we will here will see about a P. Any rays which is a parallel to the principal axis is called as a principal axis. Then it is going to be a pass from a center and it's going to be reflect. So a ray parallel to the principal axis is going to pass through a principal focus. कहाँ से पास होगा? प्रिंसिपल फोकस. ये एप्लीकेबल होता है कॉन्केव के लिए. नाउ सेम वे फॉर ए सेकेंड कंडीशन, एनी रेज which is a passing from the focal length is going to become a parallel to the principal axis, that is a P. Here a ray passing through a principal focus is a ray will be a parallel to the principal axis. Here this is a very important condition. अगर फर्स्ट कंडीशन से आप देखोगे तो पैरेलल है तो सेंटर में से पास हो रहा है. ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो जाता है. व्हेन इट इज पासिंग फ्रॉम एफ, देन एंड देन ओनली इट इज गोइंग टू बिकम पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. यहाँ पे सी में से था, हियर इट इज फ्रॉम एफ. नाउ एनी रेज विच इज पासिंग फ्रॉम द सेंटर, अब सेंटर में से हो जाएगा तो इट इज समथिंग लाइक ए डायमीटर. सो ए रे पासिंग थ्रू ए सेंटर ऑफ द कर्वेचर आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक along the same path. तो वही रास्ते से वापस जाएगा सेम डायरेक्शन में. सो इट इज गोइंग टू पास थ्रू द सेंटर ओनली. नाउ इन ए थर्ड विच इज रिलेवेंट टू द एंगल, एज एनी विच इज मेकिंग एनी एंगल with a normal, this is called as a normal, or a principal axis is called as a normal. So it is forming an angle of I, that is called as an angle of incident. It is always equal to the angle of the reflection. So follows law of reflection at point of incident making equal angle with the principal axis, which proves that I is equal to R. This is going to make a sense. So we have seen one ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the principal focus. A ray passing through a principal focus, the ray will be a parallel to the principal axis, which is passing from the C, will be a reverse back. So after reflection is a reflected back along the same path, and as per the law of reflection, angle of the incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. That 4 points you have to remember. The same phenomena we are going to see here. We have seen about a diagrammatically with a concave mirror. Same thing is applicable for convex mirror. Here let us see about this particular part on the basis of a diagram. That here, as already I had told you, that here it is passing from focus. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, दैट रे इज गोइंग टू बी रिफ्लेक्ट. इफ विल टेक इमेजिनरी रेज, इट इज गोइंग टू पास फ्रॉम ए फोकस विच इज़ अ पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से पैरेलल है ना. तो इट इज, अगर हम इमेजिनरी रेज को पीछे कलेक्ट करेंगे, देन इट इज गोइंग टू टच टू द F. Is that clear? This is for a convex. This mirror is convex. Please, when you are writing, you have to keep that thing in mind, that whenever you are drawing a mirror na, then you have to highlight this in the form of a line segment, पीछे का portion को. Otherwise it is considered as a lens, not as a mirror. Here for a concave mirror it is going to be a F. For a second condition, as I already told you, any rays which is passing from a focal length is going to become a parallel to the principal axis. Same phenomena is taking place over here. Any rays which is passing from a focus is going to become a parallel to the principal axis. तो यहाँ से टकरा के अगर फोकल लेंथ के जितना जाएगा तो I इजिकल टू R बना के इट इज गोइंग टू बिकम अ पैरेलल टू दी principal axis. This is the principal axis and these are parallel rays. This is for a convex. Now any rays which is passing from AC is going to be a back. Same thing, if you will see any rays which is passing from a C, यहाँ से जाएगा C में, तो ये रिवर्स कहाँ जाएगा? C में ही. rays coming over here, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, so same direction में it is going to be back for a convex. Here same thing is happens, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. I had already explained you. For a concave, same thing is happens over here also as per the law of reflection. Angle of I is equal to the angle of R when they are reaching to the point P. So total 4 condition we have learned. That 4 condition you have to remember it, and from based on this any 2 line or any 2 rays जो आगे पढ़ चुके हैं उसमें से 4 रेज में से अगर 2 एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे then it is going to form a image. Now based on this we are going to see a type of the image. Let us see in this particular part which has been given on the page number 164. Table number is 10.1. Image formation by concave mirror. Please try to draw it in a proper way. In exams, real students are usually not able to draw in a proper way. So ये थोड़ा आपको अच्छी तरह से कर लेना है, इससे आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम एराइज ना हो. Here when I'll put a position of the object, position of the image where I am going to form, and size of the image and nature of the image. If you will see a concave mirror, all is a real and inverted. Real होगा और inverted होगा, means in opposite side. Here when I will put the object at the infinite, I am going to get image at the focus F, which is a highly diminished end point size that we have seen in one activity where we are collecting the rays of the sun, and due to that it catches the fire. This is because of this nature, highly diminished point size, and image is a real and inverted. If I will put between infinity and beyond C, अगर मैं beyond C रखता हूँ तो I am going to get between F and C. This is a diminished size, जो ऑब्जेक्ट का है उससे छोटा होगा, that is called as ना diminished. Highly diminished means point size हो जाता है, it is a very small. That type of the image we are not able to get in a proper way. This is a diminished, where we are able to see at least that particular things, real and inverted. If I will put at C, then same position I am going to add C. Here size is the same size image is there, which is a real and inverted. If I will put an object between C and F, so I am going to get beyond C, enlarge, real and inverted image I am going to get. If I will put at F, then I am going to get image at infinity. यहाँ पे infinity पे लिखा था, you are going to F, तो ये उल्टा हो रहा है. इन शॉर्ट जैसे जैसे कॉन्केव मिरर के नज़दीक हम लेके जाते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट को, इट इज़ गोइंग टू मूव away from concave mirror. It is going to form image away from mirror. Only at position C it is going to give you a same size, real and inverted. If you put at F, then it is going to be reached at infinite, which is highly enlarged, and sometimes it is very difficult to collect the image on that board. Here same thing is there at focus at F, then at infinity था सेम थिंग, मीन्स एक क्रिस क्रॉस हो रहा है, आप देख रहे हैं, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, इन्फिनिटी था ऑब्जेक्ट, तो इमेज कहाँ पे आता था, फोकस पे. अब जब इमेज को इन्फिनिटी पे रखेंगे तो कहाँ पे आएगा, एट एफ, क्रॉस हो गया, बियॉन्ड सी, देन बिटवीन एफ एंड सी, बिकॉज ऑफ सी एंड एफ, ये भी क्रॉस हो रहा है, सी पे सी के जितना आ रहा है, so this is only a cross. Just you have to remember that only at C you are going to get same size, that is the real and inverted. This is the nature of the image. But if I will put between pole and F, then I am going to get a behind the mirror. Mirror के पीछे मिलेगा, which is enlarged, and here you have to remember that which is a virtual and erect. This type of the questions may ask in a 1 mark for a base of VSQ. स्टार्टिंग में आपको 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, उसके अंदर ये टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द लास्ट वन, और दे मे आस्क फ्रॉम दिस एनी वन, बट दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. एंड इन एग्जाम्स they are asking from a different particular chapters. At that time there may be chances you may get a bit confusion, so you have to remember this. So we'll make a star over here, which is a very important part, and remaining I had already told you cross हो रहा है between C, beyond C, between C and F, ये सेम आ रहा है, तो 1 2 3 and 4 बीच का 5, so 1 2 3 4 5 is very easy, where nature is the same, real and inverted, real and inverted. And between P and F, behind the mirror, it is enlarged and image is virtual and erect. As I had already taught you about the types of the rays in a book, where any rays which is a parallel to the principal axis passing from the focus, and any rays which is passing from the focus is going to become parallel to the principal axis. Any rays passing from C is going to be revert back to the C, and angle of the incident is angle of reflection as per law of reflection. Law of reflection. Now remember that in all the above cases, law of reflection are followed. All the cases law of reflection are followed. At the point of incident, the incident ray is reflected in such a way that the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. This is a very important condition among all. Angle of R is equal to angle of I, incident के जितना ही reflection हो रहा है. Now we'll see about image formation by concave mirror. Here let us see, जो अभी आपको total 6 points जो बताए different natures, that we will see along with the diagram. Here total 6 diagram given in a book that you have to draw it in a proper way. Infinity पे रखा हुआ है ऑब्जेक्ट, then they all rays are going to be travel and it is going to be intersect at F. Here for a dotted line shows that this is at a infinite. Here when you are presenting, you can go in a reverse direction to plot that particular diagram in your book. So when you put at infinite, it is going to give you an image at F. When you come near, then it is going to give you an image between C and F. धीरे धीरे F और C के बीच में जा रहा है, F and C. Here it is a point size. Now this is a bit a diminished we can say. In third case, when I will put at C, then same size that we have already learned over here. At C, same size, real and inverted, उल्टा आ रहा है, real and inverted. If I will put between C and F, then once again it is a very small, you are going to get enlarged. जैसे जैसे नज़दीक लेके जाएंगे इमेज बड़ा होता जाता है. So you are going to get at B dash and A dash as an image that is also real and inverted. Here A से ऐसे गया, any rays which is a parallel passing from the focus, and any rays which is a passing from the ऐसे जाएगा तो क्रॉस करके C में से सेंटर में से पास हुआ तो दो रेज ने क्रॉस किया तो यू विल गेट दैट इमेज A dash B dash over here. If we'll put it in an infinite F and A, then once again it is going to reach at infinity. This image we cannot collect on any that particular object. It is at a infinite. Here, as I had already told you, this is a very important. Nature already I had done a tick mark over here. Behind the mirror, enlarge. Nature is also virtual and erect. Same phenomena is taking place over here. Between P and F, if I will put the object, then it is going to be in a reverse direction. यहाँ से reverse में जाएगा, यहाँ से भी same. So if I will extend this rays in a back side, then behind the mirror मिलेगा मुझे. You have to use a right word over here. So I am going to get A dash and B dash, which is a behind the mirror. So virtual and erect. Erect means in a same direction. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. If you'll see it is an opposite. यहाँ पे ऊपर की तरफ ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है, ये उल्टा आ रहा है. ये सीधा है, यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. Same thing is happens over here also. So you have to keep this thing in mind. These are a very important points among all. Now that things comes over here where I have to use this particular concave mirror. Concave mirror are commonly used in a torch. सर्च लाइट के अंदर अभी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. व्हीकल की हेडलाइट जो होती है उसके अंदर टू गेट ए पावरफुल पैरेलल बीम ऑफ द लाइट, डीपर जो आप बोलते हैं ना, दैट वन. So due to that rays are able to travel up to a long distance. They are often used as shaving mirror to see a large image of the face, and the dentist use concave mirror to see a large image of the teeth of a patient. So large concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce a heat in a solar furnace also. Now this is relevant to the concave mirror. Now image formation by convex mirror. We study the image formation by convex mirror. Now we shall study the formation of the image by convex mirror. Please draw this whole diagram once. ये आपको एक बार ड्रॉ करना है. At the same time you have to write it down this particular part twice. This is very important for a VSQ. Suppose these same questions may enter into a 2 marks, then they are asking about the diagram. So you have to use these particular things. जना डायग्राम से एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच्ड है. Now here we consider two positions of the object for the study the image formed by convex mirror. First is what the object is at an infinite, and the second position is when the object is at a finite distance from the mirror. So ray diagram for the formation of the image by convex mirror for those two positions of the object are shown. Here in position number A at infinity we are going to get at the focus. We will collect it on a backward side, पीछे की तरफ collect करेंगे. Then I am going to get at F. In figure 10.2 B के अंदर देखेंगे, if I put it C is on this side ना, now तो C इस तरफ है. अगर मैं इमेज को थोड़ा नज़दीक लेके जाता हूँ then I am going to get a diminished. ए बी, यहाँ पे नेचर क्या था हमारा, दैट इज ए रियल एंड inverted. Now I am going to get a virtual and erect but smaller in size compared to the object. Now at infinity, at the focus कहाँ पे मिलेगा, behind the mirror, मिरर के पीछे मिल रहा है. हाईली डिमिनिश्ड पॉइंट साइज, छोटा मिलेगा आपको. इज अ वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, वर्चुअल है और साथ में इरेक्ट है. If I'll put between infinity and the point P of the mirror, तो between P and F behind the mirror आएगा, which is a diminished, highly diminished मतलब point size, and this called as a diminished means we are able to see that particular things. So this is a virtual and erect. Now you have seen so far study the image formation by plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror. Which of these mirror will give the full image of a large object? Explore through a activity. Observe the image of the distant object, say a distant tree, in a plane mirror. Could you see a full image length? That is yes. Now for that particular part, we have to understand a certain concept. Try with a plane mirror of a different size. Do you see the entire object in the image? No. Repeat with concave, same with a convex. We can see a full length image of a tall building or a tree in a small convex mirror. One such mirror is fitted in a wall of Agra Fort facing a whole Taj Mahal. पूरी का पूरा ताज महल आपको नजर आएगा. Why? Because of this type of the nature. You can able to see that whole Taj Mahal. Agra Fort में यहाँ पे लगा हुआ, तो you are able to see that small image of this. This is the beauty of this particular convex, and due to that we are able to use these particular things at a different place. So to view distinctly, you should stand suitably at the terrace adjoining the wall. तो अगर आप अरेंज करेंगे पोजीशन को, देन वी आर एबल टू गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. नाउ यूज ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स आर कॉमनली यूज इन अ रियर व्यू, विंग मिरर इन अ व्हीकल. दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन, वी कैन से ए एग्जाम्पल. यहाँ पे क्या है, रियर व्यू मिरर इन ए व्हीकल देखने के लिए, जबकि कॉन्केव में क्या था, टॉर्च, सर्च लाइट, हेडलाइट था ऑफ द व्हीकल, नॉट द रियर व्यू. ये मिरर देखने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं कि पीछे से कौन से व्हीकल आ रहे हैं. सो इफ़ यू सी योर ए कार एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो उसके पे लिखा है इट इज़ ए वर्चुअल, और उसके पे एक स्टेटमेंट लिखा होता है, व्हेन यू विल परचेज द ए एंड सी योर दैट ए बाइक के अंदर और उसके अंदर इफ यू सी द ओरिजिनल ग्लास रियर व्यू, देन इट हैज़ बीन रिटन. These mirrors are fitted on the side of the vehicle, enabling the driver to see a traffic behind him के पीछे का, facilitate safe driving. Convex mirrors are preferred because they always give erect through a diminished, means a image also they have a wider field of view as they are curved outwards. These convex mirrors enables the driver to view much larger area than would be possible with a plane mirror. In plane mirror we are able to see a limited, but with a convex mirror on a rear view we are able to see a large area and we are able to drive very safely. These are very important points for a convex mirror. Now tomorrow we'll see about a sign convention and reflection of spherical mirror. Before that, as I had already told you about a types, and in a homework you have to draw the 10.8 का एक फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द इमेज बाय कॉन्वेक्स मिरर ड्रॉ करना है. उसके नेचर को आपको एक बार रिपीट करना है Same way, you have to draw a diagram by a concave mirror at a different position, and you have to remember this particular table 10.1 for your VSQ purpose. And I teach you a 4 different types. One is at a position at infinity, second one at between a infinity and a center, then third at a C, the nature of the that rays, and that incident ray, and formation of a incidence is equal to reflection. That you have to draw once and write it down in a short. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you.